Hello, this is Tamara Evans, Digital Services Librarian at the Kings County Library. Today, I'm going to introduce you to a wonderful resource for elementary school students called Britannica School Elementary, which is provided for the library by the California State Library. To begin, you want to go to the library's website, which is located at kingscountylibrary.org. From here, you're going to navigate to the brown research button, then click on it. Once you've reached our research webpage, you're going to scroll down until you see the database table, and then click the blue button that says See All Databases. Once you arrive at our database webpage, you'll notice that all of our databases are listed in alphabetical order. Having said that, you're going to scroll until you see Britannica School, and then click the words Click Here to Access. Here's the Britannica School homepage, and as you can see, there's 3 different levels for this resource: elementary, middle, and high. For this tutorial, we're going to focus on the elementary level. As you notice, the Britannica School Elementary homepage is very colorful. The first thing you want to do is, if you know specifically what you want to look for, you can click the yellow search box and then start typing in your topic. And as you start typing in your topic, for our tutorial here, we're going to look for articles on the Grand Canyon. As I started typing in the word Grand, it started automatically filling in what it thinks that I'm looking for. So, as I can see here, recommended articles, Grand Canyon. So I'm going to click on that. So as you can see here, it's brought up an article in reference to the Grand Canyon. Information to pay attention to is the different reading levels. So level 1 is for elementary school age students, and level 2 is for middle school age students. Also be aware of words that are shown in blue on the article. If you click on any of the words that are in blue, it will actually take you to another article, like so. And then if I want to go back, I can press the back arrow. Also be aware of the feature that will allow the article to be read to you, like so.
Noted for its fantastic shapes and colors, the Grand Canyon is one of the most spectacular sights in the United States.
Also be aware of the different options you have when using this resource, such as favoriting an article, printing, emailing, citing. You can make the font bigger, you can make the font smaller, or you can translate into another language, as well as save it on Google, share to Google Classroom or to Google Drive. As I mentioned before, there's different reading levels for each of the articles. Level 1 is for elementary school, level 2 is for middle school. So if you clicked level 2, it will take you to the same article for a middle school student. And so if you decided, looking at that article, that you wanted to go back to the elementary school page, you can click on the title of the resource, which will take us back to the school level page. In reference to the rest of the layout for Britannica School Elementary, you'll notice here on the top there's 3 different things. So there's do you know, and as you can see, you have options to click next or previous, which will take you to other interactive little quizzes you can do. Back a little too far. Then you also, scrolling down further, there's other options to explore, such as articles, images and videos, as well as biographies. If you want to learn more about animals, you can click on any of these animals under the Animal Kingdom subject heading. And then if you want to learn more about geography, There's 4 different areas that you can choose from in reference to that. Also be aware that you can also access Britannica School in Spanish as well by clicking this button right here. This concludes the Britannica School Elementary tutorial. Please make sure that you follow the Kings County Library Facebook page and subscribe to the Kings County Library YouTube channel for more tutorials similar to this one. Thank you and have a good day.